Hi everyone, in this video I wanted to go over with you about the differences between a transponder key and a remote head key. Why there is a difference in cost and what else is different. So as you can see right here we have two keys, Honda keys, also used for Acura. The only difference between them, they have the same blade, they have the same chip inside, okay? But the only difference is that this one also have a keyless entry built in to it. It's exactly the same key with the same function. It will start the same vehicle, same year, same models. But this one you can unlock and lock from the outside, and this one you cannot. This is the reason why this one should cost you about $30 online, and this one only about $10-15. But with both of those keys you will be able to start your vehicle, of course, after a locksmith or the dealer program the key. So always remember that if you have a situation, sometimes you can simply get a key that is cheaper but it doesn't have the keyless entry. Or if you want to invest about $15-20 more, you can have this key, which is more convenient. I hope this helps to clarify the differences between a keyless and a regular transponder key. Thank you.